my channel Akshu's Life. Let's learn it my way. Hope you all are safe and making many memories with your family. So today we are going to make something different to display your memory. So today we are making a photo frame. Let's see what are the things that we need. Cardboard, KG cardboard, quilling paper, paint, glue, scissors, OHP sheet. So first, take a cardboard and cut two rectangles.
One hour later.
So here we have our rectangles. Now, take a photograph and cut the center of the rectangle according to the size of the photograph. Now, we have finished cutting the center of the rectangle. Now, let's cover it with the KG cardboard. Here, I have used KG cardboard. If you like, you can also paint it. First, put glue. And stick it.
3 hours later.
Now, I have done with the first part of the rectangle. Now do the same thing with the other one. Now we are done covering both the rectangle. Now let's make a stand for the frame. Take a cardboard and cut it. Now we have finished cutting it. Cover this also in the same way we did to the rectangles. Now we are done with the stand. Take the rectangle which we cut in the center and take OHP sheet and stick it inside so that it acts like a protected layer. Now we are done with this. Stick both the rectangles together, but keep in mind you have to stick only the three sides. Allow it to dry. Let's move to the next step, to the decoration. Let's make flowers using the quilling technique. So let's make the flowers.
6.5 hours later.
We are done making the flowers. Let's stick them. We are done decorating the frame. Let's attach the stand.
Two hours later.
We are done with the photo frame. If you like it, like, share, comment, and if you're new to my YouTube channel, also subscribe and hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button. Until next time, it's bye from Akshara.